I guess I'm gonna give her a go.
I got a bag.
We might need it.
Got the trash bag. I'll be over here behind the fence if you need me.
Alrighty. One battery. 2 berries.
Welcome to HTX. Switch warning. Gear up. Flaps up. Engine off. Stable mode. Flaps down. Flaps up. Flaps down. Off. And. Gear down. Gear up. Stable mode. Stability mode. Off. Gear down. Gear up. Stable mode. Flaps up. Stability mode. Stable mode. Gear down. Flaps down. Flaps up. Flaps down.
Yeah, not terrible.
You think it'll start?
I don't know. I hope so. It amazes me, this connector, how big it is.
I know.
Yeah.
It's like, it's a weaving.
Feels like I'm turning the grid on.
Bringing the grid online.
You've got nav lights.
Hey, connection.
Drop stand.
He's almost ready to go.
Wait, it's got some elevator.
Out.
Easy.
Just making sure it's straight on the ground. Alright. We'll let it rip.
You notice he gets away from that heat glass.
Got the augmented.
And the fourth thing to do is stand behind him.
I know, that's why I said. Look at that. It doesn't even have to go 1,000,000 miles an hour to stay airborne either. This thing, and it's,
That's with the gyro on. If I let off the sticks, it just does that.
wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try to do a slow flyby here,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna pull the landing gear up so we can watch it.
Okay. Yeah. Does that look cool or what?
Look how smooth that is
I
now.
know. And then
That landing gear was causing it to buffet a little
and
bit.
it doesn't make all kinds of horrible noise.
Well,
It just
it
flies.
might eventually.
It can, but it can also fly without it. Man, when they first came up, the ducted fans, they were going full bore to just break ground. Listen to that.
Behind your line of sight,
No,
I'll stand back.
I got this gyro turned up pretty high and I could see it oscillating there, so I just turned it down.
Yeah, okay.
I've got it set on like a volume knob. That's pretty smooth right there.
Yes, it is.
And see, it's ghosting really bad right there, but it's autoing, it's leveling itself out, so that's real nice. There we go.
Yes, that was smooth.
That's me about as far away as I can fly that airplane. I was like, it disappears quick.
Yeah. Look how smooth it is with
I
that
know.
wind.
Like a real one.
Yeah.
Too bad there ain't any danger zone music out here.
Yeah.
I know. It's,
It's a bit bumpy.
it looks like
Especially
That-
when you cut the power back
if you
on
cut
it.
the
Yeah.
power and had to, like say you lost the back power, you could just glide that in and it's still flying.
What's
Yeah.
your flight timer you had? No.
I don't have a timer. I just kind of know. It served me well so far.
Oh, okay.
All right, we'll give her the beans here.
Look at her go. Look beautiful.
Yeah, there's no limit. That thing could fly up and out of sight, couldn't it?
Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get set up for.
They can have turbine jets, but they're not going to fly any faster than that.
Some of them get up to 200 pretty
I bet
easily.
That one ain't far from it.
No, it says 150 in level fly, but it is pretty windy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The
this.
wind's pretty much left to right
we
right
just
now.
see a nice, pretty, easy set it down landing. That would be great.
Well, I think you can do it.
Drop stand.
Whoa, you see that thing nose up?
I know.
Yeah.
It's like, it ain't
Off
no
of those
little
trees.
fat lady thing.
Off of those trees. noticed they had flaps on it too.
Yeah, I've got them down right now.
Flaps and gears to sturdy it up.
It's a bit hot there.
Yeah, you ran out of runway in a hurry.
If you want, you could walk up there and get in the middle of the runway.
Yeah, it'd probably help.
Would, but
With this gyro on it, it definitely,
definitely tames it down for you.
yeah, because it goes real easy.
That came with the plane, didn't it?
No, I put that in myself.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, that was just kind of a precaution I wanted to do with how much it cost. Well, pretty fast still. I'm probably gonna have to do it on this one because my battery's probably getting pretty close. You gotta use a lot more than what I'm used to.
Yeah.
It has an option for reverse thrust.
Or traction.
I was gonna bring her wide here and then I can have more room to.
That'll work. Just line up on it, you're fine.
Well,
That'll work.
you know, can't complain about that.
No. Well, I want to run up. Good thing that suspension is the way it is.
Yeah. Can't argue with that.
No, I'll tell you what, that was beautiful.
Good call.
Zero.
That suspension on that.
There it goes. Whew, them suckers are hot. 10%. Boy, it flies really good with that gyro on it. Like and subscribe.